Damn, I shouldn't have refreshed it. Literally, it was at 9099 and I wanted to like refresh it on camera until it got to 100. But yay! Got me getting 100 followers in a day. Y'all aren't following me on Instagram? Please go ahead and follow me. Help me get to 10K because your girl needs a swipe up link. Okay, sis! Hey, so happy. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Thank you guys all that if you guys are following me from YouTube and you follow me on Instagram, or if you're from Instagram and you're looking at my YouTube, you guys are fucking awesome. I'm very happy, very happy. I'm so happy all my hard work is paying off, honestly. Like that shit's crazy. The grind doesn't stop. I'm about to do my hair and get some coffee, do my makeup. I have to film a ton of videos today. I'm gonna try to not tell you all the shit that I have to do because I feel like it's getting very repetitive. I will chat with you guys a little later. Hello friends. So I feel like I let people get to me too much and I hate that I do that. It's so annoying, but like it's just something that happens and it's so stressful. I just did my hair. I'm loving my hair today. I'm having a really good hair day. I curled it with the Kristen S 1.5 inch curling wand and I really like it. I think it looks good. I filmed some TikToks. I was supposed to go to Zara. I'm actually gonna call my friend and see if she wants to come with me to the mall before it closes, and I want to get Chick-fil-A. I'm hungry. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to place the order for the tie-dye tonight, and hopefully it comes before the weekend. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm planning a lot of Valentine's Day content this week. I also had to go to Dollar Tree, so I'm thinking of just getting all that stuff done right now and coming back. So that's my plan for the day. I'm actually hungry. I haven't eaten all day long and it's like literally like, what time is it? It's like 6 o'clock. I literally have not had one morsel of anything in my body because I've just been doing shit. But I'm gonna grab something to eat and I will be back. Why are you watching that?
No, it's a comedy.
You're so dirty. I am about to go to the mall right now. I have to return something at Zara, so hopefully there's not a long ass line because I don't have time for that. I'm gonna get some Chick-fil-A and I gotta go to Dollar Tree, so we're gonna do all of that today. Let's go. Alright guys, a little OOTD. This is what I'm wearing. I'm gonna put some boots on. I just reconnected with my friend Rocio and we're gonna go to dinner on Sunday, so I'm really excited. Definitely gonna share with you that. That way, actually, my vlog is definitely gonna go up on Monday then, because I was like thinking of having like my Sunday uploads, but Monday I think is best. Get a full Sunday day. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm in the parking lot of the mall right now. I just got back. I'm gonna sanitize my hands. I wanted to get my nails done today, but my lady is busy, so I'm gonna go tomorrow to get my nails done. Yeah, I got Chick-fil-A. So I'm really excited because I really want to try their mac and cheese. I've never tried Chick-fil-A mac and cheese before, so I'm really excited to try that. What? Y'all know my mac and cheese queen. I love mac and cheese. This is extremely good. I've never had it before. A1. I love it. You could still see the chunks of, look at that. You could still see the chunks of cheese in here. Yeah. I got Chick-fil-A sauce and Polynesian sauce. What sauces did you guys get? I got the spicy deluxe with pepper jack cheese. Totally forgot to tell them I don't want any tomatoes. I'm gonna take these tomatoes out of there. It's so yummy. Oh my god, yes. I'm so excited for this bite. Ah! So I'm back and I'm about to clean my room right now. My room is like so dirty. It just has shit everywhere, and I want to clean it because I kind of want to film some videos in here. You guys see my ring light, that's what I do. But it's kind of like, I just have like random stuff everywhere. Like it's just random stuff. Random. I also want to set up this corner of my room, maybe to film, but also to do my puzzles. I had gotten these puzzles from Marshall's during Christmas time, so I wanted to do that. I have to clean up my little candle section, and then this desk is like so annoying to me. I have this stuff, I'll show you guys. I bought these for my nephews. Cute little Dollar Tree bags. They're just fun. I'm gonna put some tissue in there, but I want to show you guys what I got for them. The first thing that I got was this cute little pizza thing, and these like little mini brands with new toys. Exciting. Got them a little necklace, little beaded necklace. Those were just extras that I had gotten from a Valentine's Day thing that I had bought. I got them these really cute cups. I think I had gotten these at Rite Aid. And they just light up. So fun. They're like mini, so it's cute. They'll be able to eat it out. Sometimes, you know, those ring pops are so big, they don't get to eat it out in one time. And then I got this like tropical punch baby bottle pop because they like those types of things. I got the same thing for all of them. This one is a cute one. Happy Valentine's Day. This is a cute one with the hearts. I'm actually gonna go ahead and watch a movie right now. I wanna watch like an old, like maybe Breakfast in Tiffany's, like an old school movie right now while I clean. Hello friends. So I ended up going to this restaurant with my friends to watch the Super Bowl because it's Super Bowl Sunday. So I didn't get much of my cleaning done, and I didn't get much of the things that I wanted to do done, which is annoying, but whatevs. I'm gonna stay up and do some things right now. So I'm just making some tea for my mom, and let's see what's going on TikTok. That was wrong. the lighting went down. It was decent. I have to practice this one more. I'm gonna practice that. To make my mom's tea. So to learn TikTok dances, you duet it and then you slow it down. Do slow. So then she goes super duper slow, and then you can like learn all the moves. punch, punch, clap. Like that. So that's how I learned my TikTok dances, by slowing it down. Guys, so I'm listening to Clubhouse and I am about to set this up. I did not spray paint it as yet, but I think I'm gonna set it up first and then possibly spray paint it tomorrow. I really want, like, this is getting out of hand now, so I really need a bigger setup. So I'm hoping it works well. I'll leave you guys here so you can kind of see me setting it up. See? Why? So it says it's a oil rubbed bronze, whatever that means. Alright guys, so we are going to get our nails done. I'm super excited. I broke this one, so I'm gonna go get them a teal color. So, let's go! Being good, I'm a bad bitch. I'm sick of motherfuckers trying to tell me how to live. Hey friends, so I am going to the bank and then I'm going to Food Town because today I'm making feta cheese pasta. And I might go to the beauty supply store. No, I'm not gonna go to the beauty supply store. Oh no, I'm not gonna go. I'm not gonna do it. Stop. Anyways, I also go to the post office. I had to get a box to mail all this stuff out for my friends, Alex. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. I went to Dunkin' and I got this pink velvet iced macchiato. I'm excited to try it out. I don't know what it's gonna taste like. I got a large. I kind of want to Instagram it for a sec. Let's see. Oh, it is skim milk. It's still very rich. I love it. And I got 2 donuts. I got a strawberry one and I got the brownie batter one. I'm actually gonna use those for props. I'm gonna go home, do my makeup, and do my Valentine's Day pictures. It's so pretty, but at the same time, it's so messy. So messy. It sucks when like they bank it up like that. I hate that. Oh my god. This is probably the worst place to walk. It's literally downhill. I'm gonna die. I wish I didn't do this. Oh, I wish I didn't do this. It's all ice, isn't it? Is it all ice? Oh yeah, that's all ice. Finally, I'm back. Did everything I gotta do at the post office. I got some boxes so I can package Alex's stuff and send it off to her. I hate that these flat rate priority boxes, like the large ones, are super small either way. I'm just like, what the hell? I might have to send her 2 boxes, but let's see what happens. So excited for my drink. It's so good. It just gives this really weird color afterwards though. friend's house, and this was mad long to get here. It was like an hour. He lives in Staten Island, and I'm just trying to get some hookah and some like food and like maybe a White Claw. But this was a lot of energy and a lot of effort, so I'm hoping it goes well. I hate being single sometimes because it's like, it's so nerve-wracking. Being single and having anxiety is literally the worst. I'm probably gonna sit in this car for like another like 3 to 4 minutes to mentally prepare myself for what's to come, because I'm nervous.
Y'all been here? Let me know.